Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can use a chat view for this board. Okay. For that, guys, just click on three dots here. Click on power ups, click on board views, click on chat, open in board. Okay. So you can open the board in the chat view. Okay. Got it? And for that, guys, here this is opening in the chat view. You can click on more options. You can click on settings. You can see, go to settings. You can actually click on the different chart types. Okay, the most popular is pie chart. So you can click on the pie chart. You can see the how many are in yellow, red, and green. You can see the bar. You can see the line. You can see the stacked bar. For pie, you can view it like this, or you can view it like this. You can see the column value also. You can see the area wise, how many are there, how many working on it, how many are done, how many are stuck. Okay, you can click on exit full screen, or you can close this one, and you can see the chart view is like this. Okay, you can export this chart as SVG, CSV, PNG, JPEG, PDF, etc. You can export this chart also. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.